Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of frugality and sustainability through the eyes of a single farm worker with a knack for budgeting. This individual, who we'll call Sarah, has mastered the art of living within her means, and it's an eye-opening journey into the mind of a rural professional navigating the challenges of redundancy and a tight food budget. So, let's get started. Sarah's story begins with a simple question: how does a single farm worker with a variable income manage to spend only $70 to $100 on groceries each week? The answer lies in her childhood habits and a deep-rooted frugality. She's a master of making the most out of her resources, and it's truly inspiring. One thing that immediately stands out is her approach to food. Sarah doesn't just buy pre-made meals, she bakes, cooks, and freezes everything from biscuits to muesli bars. This not only saves her money but also ensures she has a variety of meals at her fingertips. What many people don't realize is that this level of self-sufficiency is not only cost-effective but also incredibly satisfying. It's a reminder that sometimes, the simplest solutions can be the most powerful. Sarah's budgeting skills extend beyond the kitchen. She's learned to be mindful of her spending on cleaning products and toilet paper, understanding that these items go on price cycles. This awareness allows her to plan and wait for the best deals, a strategy that many of us could benefit from. But what truly sets Sarah apart is her ability to make almost everything from scratch. From bread to yogurt, she's embraced the art of self-sufficiency, which not only saves her money but also connects her to a simpler, more sustainable way of life. In my opinion, this is a powerful reminder that we can all take small steps towards a more sustainable future by embracing DIY and reducing our reliance on processed foods. Now, let's talk about the essentials. Milk, fruit, and vegetables are Sarah's mainstays, and she's learned to be stingy with her dairy purchases, making her own yogurt and bread. This not only saves her money but also ensures she has control over the quality of her food. One detail I find fascinating is how Sarah has adapted to the limitations of her local supermarket. Instead of settling for what's available, she's taken matters into her own hands, making her own bread rolls and finding creative solutions like making her own muesli bars. This raises a deeper question: why do we often settle for less when we can create something better and more sustainable right in our own kitchens? Sarah's story is a testament to the power of frugality and self-sufficiency. It's a reminder that we can all learn from her habits, whether it's making our own bread or planning our grocery shopping to take advantage of price cycles. From my perspective, this is a call to action for all of us to embrace a more sustainable and cost-effective lifestyle. So, the next time you're at a supermarket, take a step back and think about how you can make the most of your resources. After all, living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it means embracing a simpler, more sustainable way of life. In conclusion, Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that we can all learn from her habits and embrace a more sustainable and cost-effective lifestyle. So, the next time you're at a supermarket, take a step back and think about how you can make the most of your resources. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it means embracing a simpler, more sustainable way of life. Personally, I think this is a call to action for all of us to take small steps towards a more sustainable future. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.